I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and environment. Log into your Autodesk account in a browser to verify the password and subscription. Once done, compare the machine ID or license server name used by Maya with the one shown in your account and make sure system date, time, and time zone are correct because SSL and license checks fail with skewed clocks. Also check basic network reachability. Test a browser access to Maya. Autodesk. Calm and temporarily disable strict firewalls to allow the client to begin authentication. Now dig into Maya's authentication flow. Open Autodesk License Manager and refresh entitlements because cache tokens often expire and block login. Once done, clear the local Autodesk cache folder and restart Maya to force a fresh token request. If you use a license server, confirm port connectivity and host name resolution. Use ping and telnet to the license port. Also try toggling VPN and proxy settings. Sometimes corporate proxies or split tunneling break the handshake. So test both with VPN. Finish by repairing or reinstalling the credential components that Maya uses to authenticate, and then fully restart the machine to clear stubborn processes. Once restarted, attempt login, and if it still fails, gather the logs from the Autodesk Local Logs folder and copy any error codes. These identify token, TLS, or entitlement failures. If necessary, recreate a clean OS user profile to rule out profile corruption, and contact Autodesk support with your logs. One key tip: temporarily create a hotspot from your phone to rule out network-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.